What is up, fellas? We are back with another video. Just a quick update on the giveaway, some information that I want you to all know, which I've said before and I guess I forgot to say on this one. First things first is whenever we drop these videos, if it's a giveaway or anything, I put everything in the video so all the information's there. I see so many questions that are literally in the video. I'm not going to reply to those questions when the answer's in there, so you must skim through it and see like one or two things. The next one will be, I will never comment and say you won something. This giveaway ends at one time and one time only, and that's June 23rd. I will not make a post saying you won something. Text us, message us, telegram us. That's a scam. If you're not seeing this video, you're not subscribed. So make sure you hit the subscription button. Make sure you watch the whole video whenever we post any videos, because we will not make a post. The only time I'll ever make a post, or I should say the only time I'll ever make a reply, is if I'm talking shit. That's just the way I am. So just be aware, those are scammers. So I'm not going to reply to everyone saying, hey, you told me to hit you up. Is this true? No, it's not true. I didn't hit you up. It's a scammer hitting you up. That is the quick information on that one. As far as shipping, please allow 7 to 10 business days for it to go out, because we are just, a two-man team here and we're building bikes. So just be patient as your tracking orders will get received. And last but not least, as the heading says, I'm going to let it go for 48 hours, aka right now all the way till basically Sunday night. So not really 48 hours, but the ending would be tomorrow night. And that is for the 50 times entries, because this whole time I thought it was on TikTok and it wasn't. Well, it was and it wasn't, because just to give you a rundown, I pay for a subscription for royalty-free music. What royalty-free music is basically what you hear when I play these videos on YouTube that you probably never heard of before. That's because if you use someone you know, it's going to get copyrighted, it mutes the video, and then just ruins everything. So you have to pay a subscription for royalty-free, and then I get to choose from a catalog of music. Well, TikTok happens to be just a free-for-all for the most part of music. So like every song is on TikTok. And of course, we uploaded this giveaway video last week. I didn't even realize on it just because we've been finishing bikes. But I uploaded it and it muted it. It said it was copyrighted. So I literally have a royalty-free song and it copyrighted it and it muted it. So you just see me talking and I didn't check the comments, and I was wondering why the views were just super low. So because of that, I have the video again uploaded as when this video drops, and it has new music and it is not copyrighted. So because the TikTok crew didn't get it, I'm going to give the chance to everyone for the next 48 hours, or until Sunday night, let's just say that midnight, whatever you want to call it. It's 50 times entries for every $1 spent on anything in our store. So go there now. It'll get you, if you're not aware, we're giving away a twin cam AK M8 big bore kit and or a choice of a 21-inch fat tire. So all you got to do is go to fbombbaggers.com. But like I said, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because when we drop a video, watch the whole damn video. I mean, I'm not putting out 20-minute long videos. I think they're like 8 or 10 minutes, if that. Just helps us, helps the channel, and then, it'll make us grow bigger and, give the opportunity to do some of these things for other people too when we do these other giveaways, if we keep doing them. Get your chance to enter. Drop a comment below saying, hey, I watched this whole damn video. Give me a thumbs up, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you watch the whole videos, especially when you get these tech videos or, description videos like this. I get it if you skip through the cruising videos of the bikes and stuff, but just be aware of this. I'm not going to respond to everyone that is saying I won something. You hit me up. No, I didn't. That's, who the fuck? I don't even know who that is. Someone overseas trying to scam people. All right, that'll do it for now. We got a couple videos dropping in the next few days here. We got that review, which I was talking about, which I'll give you a little. I'll even give you a little sneak peek here.
Bet you don't know what that is. That's a fat tire, and we got something new on there.
So stay tuned, because that is brand new for the fat tires 21 and 23s. They are actually a pre-order right now, and you are going to love what you see on that. And then we got a couple bike videos dropping, and we got a couple other things going on here. I actually had disassembled this turbo over here for Tim. It just looked like ass, man. So in the next video, you'll see the turbo before and after. We had it all polished out by Polish King over here. It's going to look badass. It's not going to look like shit. I got to get that bike looking right, so stay tuned. I'll drop that video in a couple days. We got this tire video, some bike videos, and we're going to keep a ball rolling, so stay tuned. All right, peace.